Okay, we've got this situation where we have Best Rentals charges a daily fee plus mileage fee for renting its cars. Barney was charged $87 for 3 days and 300 miles. Mary was charged $153 for 5 days and 600 miles. What does Best Rental charge per day and per mile? So, example, let's name our variables. Let X equal the daily fee and Y equal the mileage fee. What that means is for every day that you rent it, you pay X dollars. For every mile you drive it, you pay Y dollars. Okay. The other information they gave us was Barney. He paid $87 for his trip that lasted 3 days over 300 miles. So it's the charge. The daily charge would be 3 times X. That's 3 days times the daily charge X. Plus for the mileage we have 300 times the per mile charge, which is Y. And then his friend named Mary, she paid $153. She had her car for 5 days, so the car cost. The cost for the days is 5 times X, X being the daily fee, plus she drove 600 miles, so the mileage charge is 600 times Y. So those are all given information, okay? And from that, we're asked to find, well, they want us to find the daily fee and the mileage fee, X and Y. Solution. Okay, we're going to take the information in these two equations and turn them backwards, and we will have a system of equations. 3 times X plus 300 times Y equals 87. That's equation A. And 5 times X plus 600 times Y equals 153. That's equation B. We're going to solve this system and answer the question. So I'm going to use elimination method, and I choose to eliminate which variable? I'll eliminate, looks like Y is going to be the easiest to eliminate. And to do that, I'm going to multiply -2 times the A equation and add that to the B equation. And that'll get rid of the Y. Now, -2 times A is -6x minus 600 times Y equals -174. And to that, we're going to add the B equation, which is 5x plus 600y. See how the y's are going to disappear? Equals 153. Okay. So we get, the result is -x, these guys cancel, bring down the equal sign, and we're adding -174 plus 153, and that gives us a -21. Divide both sides by -1, and that gives us x equals 21. Okay, now that we found x, we can find y by substituting this result into either equation, and I'm going to put it into the A equation. Looks like it's easier to work with. You'll get the same answer no matter which one you plug it into. So let x equal 21 in the A equation. 3 times 21 plus 300 times y equals 87. 3 times 21 is what? Let's see, 63. 63 plus 300 times y equals 87. Let's subtract 63 from both sides. We're isolating the y term. Whoops, 63, not 36. We get 300 times y equals 24. We subtracted 63. Okay, now we divide both sides by 300. We get 24 divided by 300. Remember what y is. Y is the mileage fee. So let's go ahead and do this division. It's the top 24 with a decimal divided by the bottom 300. Bring the decimal up top. Tack on a 0. 300 does not go into 240, so put a 0. Tack on another 0. This is called annexing zeros. This goes into 2,400 exactly 8 times. 8 times 300 is 2,400. Subtract, it leaves 0. So y is equal to 0.08. I just put a 0 in front of the decimal point. We do that sometimes because it's easy to read. Conclude. Well, we see the ordered pair, xy equals 21, 0.08. But what does that mean? That means x was the daily fee. Daily fee is equal to $21. It's daily, so it's per day. And the mileage fee is equal to 8 cents. So you can write it as 8 cents or $0.08. That's the same as 8 with a cent sign per mile.